How do you? Oh, wait. Oh, auto exposures. Where's auto exposure? Is that? Yeah, there we go. Happy New Year, patrons! I hope you're having a good one so far. So, in my last update, I believe I mentioned this old jointer that I was using. It was something my brother had gotten a hold of. I don't know where he got it. Didn't ask. It had been sitting in storage for quite some time, and I decided to finally pull it out and clean it up to do those ornaments I was working on. Ornaments. Ornament, that's a hard word to say, like anemone. It needed quite a bit of cleaning. There was a lot of surface rust on it. The belt was so old, it was completely hard. The motor wouldn't even turn, so I had to replace that, and it was missing a blade guard, so I had to improvise a new one of those. It wasn't quite enough. I didn't feel it was quite enough to make a complete build video out of, but I did tape most of the process, and I thought it would make sort of a nice behind-the-scenes video for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. I just realized I still have the nasal strip on from when I was sleeping. I had it on all morning. Ah. It's raining again. Oh, hey, UPS. Ooh, I always love getting boxes from McMaster. And I got stuff from Mouser too, both for that vending machine. There we go. Works great. Thanks again for all your support. See you soon.